Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the refreshed 2025 Renault Captur, and let me tell you, this small SUV has gotten some serious upgrades that make it more appealing than ever. The first thing you will notice is that gorgeous new front end. Renault has given the Captur a stunning makeover with arrow-shaped LED running lights and a completely redesigned face inspired by the scenic E-Tech. It looks modern, distinctive, and dare I say it, pretty darn beautiful for a compact SUV. Renault has simplified the engine lineup for 2025, giving you two choices. There is a 1.0-liter turbo with 90 horsepower, but the one you really want is the E-Tech hybrid. This clever system combines a 1.6-liter engine with electric motors for a total of 145 horsepower, and it is seriously efficient. We managed to get 59 miles per gallon in our testing, which is impressive for any SUV. Step inside and you will find even more improvements. The interior feels properly premium now, with soft touch materials everywhere and a clean, modern design. Renault has ditched the old rotary climate controls for these really nice toggle switches that not only look great, but feel satisfying to use. But the real star of the show is the new Google-based infotainment system that comes standard on most models. The 10.4-inch touchscreen is super responsive, and having Google Maps built right in is fantastic. Plus, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so connecting your phone is absolutely effortless. The hybrid system is brilliant around town. It seamlessly switches between electric and gas power, and at low speeds it runs on electricity most of the time. Sure, it can hesitate a bit when you need quick acceleration, but for normal driving it is smooth and refined. One of the coolest features of the Captur is its sliding rear seats. This lets you choose between maximum legroom for passengers or extra cargo space. With the seats all the way back, there is plenty of room for adults. Slide them forward, and you get up to 616 liters of cargo space in the petrol version, which is huge for this class. The Captur handles really well too. The steering is precise, and there is minimal body roll in corners, which gives you lots of confidence. Yes, the ride is a bit firm, especially with the 19-inch wheels, but it settles down nicely on the highway where wind noise is impressively low. Every Captur comes well equipped with safety features like automatic emergency braking, driver attention warning, and a backup camera with parking sensors. The top trim adds even more goodies like adaptive cruise control. Starting at 21,700 pounds, the 2025 Captur offers great value, especially when you consider all the new tech and that efficient hybrid powertrain. Sure, a Volkswagen T-Cross might be slightly more comfortable and a Ford Puma more fun to drive, but the Captur strikes an excellent balance while adding its own unique French flair to the mix. The updates for 2025 have made an already good small SUV even better. The new styling looks fantastic, the interior tech is top-notch, and that hybrid system delivers impressive efficiency. Add in the practical sliding rear seats and generous cargo space, and you've got a really compelling package that deserves a spot on your shopping list. That is it for our look at the 2025 Renault Captur. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more car content. Let me know in the comments what you think about this stylish French SUV. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.